In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn off the profanity filter on Steam. Whether you're looking to customize your gaming experience or you simply prefer a more unfiltered view of comments and content, this guide will take you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Steam application on your computer. This is your starting point for accessing all the settings and features Steam has to offer. Once you have the app open and running, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile name displayed. Clicking on your profile name is your gateway to accessing various account settings and preferences. After clicking your profile name, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Store Preferences. This section is where you can adjust various settings related to how Steam displays content for you, including the all-important profanity filter. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Community Content Preferences. This is where you can tweak how you interact with content shared by the Steam community. The settings here pertain to various types of content filters, including the one for profanity. In this section, look for the option that says Do not filter strong profanity or slurs. By default, Steam has certain filters in place to moderate language and maintain a certain level of decorum. However, if you prefer an unfiltered experience, you can turn this option on. Simply check the box to activate it. This will ensure that strong language and slurs are not censored, giving you a more authentic and unfiltered view of community interactions. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the profanity filter on Steam. Remember, this setting applies to your account and will affect how you see content across the platform. If at any point you wish to revert back to a filtered experience, you can simply follow these steps and uncheck the option. It's important to note that while turning off the profanity filter allows for a more genuine display of content, it also means you'll be exposed to potentially offensive language. So consider your personal preferences and comfort level when deciding whether to keep this setting turned off. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and straightforward for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials. Until next time, enjoy your gaming experience on Steam.